Hey there, what's up guys, this is CryptoMac and we are watching Crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe to this channel to support this channel. So today we are going to see about massive Polka gains that we had in the past 24 hours. So tremendous gains happened in the past 24 hours for the Polkadot project. Some of the Polkadot projects we have discussed already in the previous videos. In this Polka project series, we have discussed lots of coins, lots of potential coins. So that has performed very much, that has given huge gain during the past 24 hours. So we are going to discuss about that one and what are those projects we have got tremendous gain, and whether it is going to continue or whether we are going to approach a new altcoin season. So we are going to discuss about that things, and we are going to discuss some of the altcoin season index. So we are going to discuss that one, and one more thing we have to discuss is about the Bitcoin price and where we are right now, and we are going to discuss one of the important cycle, that is Bitcoin golden cycle ratio chart. So that chart we are going to discuss, and how we are going to compare how we are right now, and we are going to compare it to the previous cycle. So when Bitcoin can make all-time high, everything we are going to discuss. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do market analysis in CoinGecko. Let's see the top 10 coins past 24 hours performance. If we see top 10 coins, first we have Bitcoin 1% up, so Bitcoin is quite sideways, showing some sideways movement, and Ethereum is 2% up, XRP minus 0.8% down, Litecoin minus 0.3% down, Chainlink minus 1.5% down, we have Bitcoin Cash minus 1.6% down, Cardano 2% up, Polkadot minus 3% down, and Binance Coin 0.5% up. So in terms of top 10 coins, we can see some quite a sideways movement. Overall, you can see in the chart we have some sideways movement. And if we see past 24 hours top gainers, we have Made Safe Coin, that is having 32.2% up, Nexo 17.8% up, OMG Network 14.5% up, Terra 13.6% up, Compound 11.2% up. So these are some of the coins that is having some of small gains. But if we see in the top, we are seeing only the top 100 coins, but we have tremendous gain in Polkadot ecosystem coins. So we are going to discuss that one later. First we can do another market analysis. And now if we see past 24 hours losers, we have Decred minus 13.6, Kusama minus 8% down, Lisk minus 1.7, not that much losers, guys. If you see, it's less than 10%. Most of the coins are less than 10%. We have drawdown, so it's not that much. No losers are there, and we have some gainers, and most of the top 10 coins are in sideways movement. So now let's discuss about the Bitcoin chart. So Bitcoin is forming this rising wedge. So usually this kind of rising wedge will be usually it will break downwards, but let's see how it goes. And but if you see in the previous one, we have formed a rising wedge in the previous time, but it broken upwards, and we had a tremendous run up to, I think this is that one. We had formed the same rising wedge pattern over here. So but this rising wedge pattern has been broken upwards, and we had break the all-time high after breaking this rising wedge, but we have formed another rising wedge here. Let's see how it goes, whether it is going to break downwards or whether it is going to break upwards. So if it is breaking downwards, we can expect this can come up to this price, that is $17,700. that is this trend line. So if it is breaking, we can expect directly it will touch this level, and it can jump from this level if this if this upward trend continues. So this is the long upward trend that is starting from $11,000. You can see we are respecting this trend line. You can see one, then we went up, then we dropped significantly, but if you see over here, we touched this trend line and we jumped back and we broke all-time high. Then we are now we are getting some rejection over here, but let's see if it is breaking down. This would be $17,700, $800 would be a nice place. If it is if it is going to continue the same upward trend, and if this level breaks, means we can expect the trend change. So that is the more important in terms of Bitcoin. In terms of Bitcoin, if it want to change the trend to bearish, it can change, but it needs to break this level, that is $17,700. It needs to break this level, and it needs to go below this particular support level, that is around $16,400. It has to break this level, then it has to break this level also. It is $16,300. Then we can expect the trend change in Bitcoin. But if you see now it is tremendously bullish. Let's see whether it is going to break downwards or whether it is going to break upwards. If it is breaking upwards, means we can expect the price can easily, if we take some target like this, approximate. So if we are breaking upwards, we can expect the price can directly go to $22,000. So 22,000 is a reason. 22,000 would be a reasonable one if you are breaking upwards. So if you see over here, we broke if we broke this particular our rising wedge, and we have the same target, and we reached the same target. You can see over here again, if we are breaking this rising wedge, this one maybe like this one, we would be reaching the price target would be around, not accurately 23,500, but it would be approximately $22,000 to $23,000. So that would be a reasonable target in terms of Bitcoin breaking upwards. And in terms of downwards, I have already mentioned this is the major area, and if it breaks and we have this region as a major support, then if it breaks, we can expect a trend change in Bitcoin. So that is more important in terms of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin can go sideways for a long period of time. That is also can happen. But now if you see Bitcoin is tremendously bullish, it's now bullish. And one more thing we have to discuss is about that Bitcoin golden ratio. There is golden ratio cycle, which is giving you the giving you how long it would be the bull cycle and how long Bitcoin will be in bear cycle. So this is the major important chart. So we have to discuss this one. We can see now this is from October 2011, and this is the bottom from that is around $2. Then we after bottom and this is the first halving. It from the bottom to first halving, it took around 53 bars, that is 371 days, 51%. And after halving, we made the top at that is 49%. So 49% means 364 days we made the top, that is around 52 bars. This is how this cycle is repeating, and this is the first halving and first cycle. We topped out at $1,200 from. Okay, this is the thing, from $2 we went to $1,200. Then what happened is, then you can see over here we had a bear cycle of this much days. From, if you see, December 2013 to we are having January 2015, which is approximately December, which is Jan of 2014, which is around approximately 1 year. We had a drop, we had a bear cycle, then we had bottomed out. Then what happened is, you can see over here, and then after the bottom it took around 76 bars, that is 532 days. That is for the next halving, which is around 51%. And what happened next is, after halving, it took around the same 49%, which is 525 days to top out, which is around $20,000. That is the previous high. So it take around 75 bars, that is of 525 days to break this, to make this all-time high. And if we see, then we had a tremendous bear cycle. We came to a bottom. Then what happened is, after finding the bottom, what happened is, you can see over here, this is the bottom. Then we took around 74 bars, 74 bars, that is 518 days, which is comparatively lower than this. And it took around 518 days for the until halving. That is from bottom to halving, it took around 518 days. And what happened is, then this is also 51%. Then if we consider 49%, similar to these two cycles, we have 51, 49, 51, 49. And if we took 51 and this is 49, which is 74 bars, the 49% will come up to 72 bars. So this 72 bars, which would be around, if you can see over here, and that is if we see in the weekly chart, and because it is a weekly chart, and if we are going to weekly time frame, this is a weekly time frame, and I'm going to see from the halving month. So the halving happened in May, We know that May, if we take 1st May, 4th May, and if we take around 72 bars, now you can see it is 59 bars, 65, 72 bars. So if we took 72 bars, this would be on 20th of September 2021. So if we consider and if we are repeating the same cycles, we can expect this the Bitcoin would make an all-time high on this particular month, that is September of 2021. So that is more important, guys. That is more important because this the same cycle, that the same percentage has been followed in the previous cycles. So if we are repeating the same kind of things in this cycle also, we can expect this top out, that is the top of Bitcoin would be on September 2021, but we don't know how much it can go. But the main thing is we can approximately guess some of the month where we can get topped out. So that is the more important thing. If you see, it is coming on 20th of September, that is September 2021, which is having 72 bars. So if we see here, it's 72 bars, which would be September 2021. Let's see how it goes, because this is more important in terms of the chart, because we are following the same thing in the previous cycle also. So let's see how it goes in the coming cycle. So that is the main thing I want to discuss about Bitcoin. And regarding the price and regarding the trend, it is a bull trend, it is in upward direction. So let's see how it goes. Next, what we are going to discuss is about the major thing we have to discuss is Ethereum. So Ethereum is also performing well, and one important thing has been formed in Ethereum. In terms of 4-hour and daily time frame, we are getting some kind of we are forming some kind of ascending triangle. So this would be one of the ascending triangle. This can be one of the ascending triangle, and it can break from here. Or else, what can happen is it will break this level, and we are expecting it will touch this level, that is $545. Then we will be having some movement towards this, then we can break the all-time, not the all-time high. We can break this triangle. So these are some of the possibilities for Ethereum, but Ethereum is so strong and it is forming an ascending triangle. So usually ascending triangle will break upwards, that is the major thing. And if we take the target, if we take this ascending triangle, and if you see here, you can see over here, this is an ascending triangle formation. The target would be, if we take this is the target, and I am placing over here, if it is breaking from this side, it would nicely bring the price to $800. So that is more important. We have been discussing about this level. $800 is an important resistance zone. So if we are breaking this ascending triangle, the price would easily come to this particular level. So that is a more important point, and it is one of the coincidence that can happen. This will bring directly the price of Ethereum to $800. It is a reasonable thing, and we have been expecting this level because it's one of the important resistance level. So it looks like it would continues for a little bit of a drop, and it looks like we can expect this is the best move. So this is an important triangle and ascending triangle one. Then we'll be having some small correction to $540-$50. Then we will go up, and then we will touch this and we will break, or else we can break from here also. No, not that is during December 16. It's showing if it continues like this, it would take around, the date should be December 16, that range, or else if it is breaking from here, it would be December 12. So this is the major thing, and I'm expecting this will be a greater potential move for Ethereum. So keep this in the mind, because Ethereum is following this from $382, this trend line, this upward trend line. So this is an uptrend. In order for the Ethereum to be bearish, it has to break this level downwards, but these kind of ascending triangles usually will break upwards. This is how it works, and let's see how it goes, and let's see how it performs in the upcoming days. But keep this in mind, that is a more important thing. So this is an important thing, so keep this in this particular area in the mind, and just you can draw that same ascending triangle in your chart to track this particular level. So this is about an Ethereum. Ethereum is tremendously bullish in terms of long term. We know that it is still 56% down from all-time high. That is more important. Let's see how it goes in the further moment. And one more thing we have to discuss is about this one, whether we are going to approach, whether we are going to altcoin season or not. So this is one of the thing I found, that is blockchaincenter.net, and they have shown this one, that is altcoin season index. Is it altcoin season? No. Why? Because this how it changed now among 100. If it is starting to now it is in Bitcoin season. If this goes above 50, it will start the altcoin season. So, and you can see this over in this chart. We had this is an altcoin season and this is Bitcoin season, and this is of April 2020, and you can see we dropped from April to May. We dropped, that is we reached Bitcoin season, and after touching this, then it approached to altcoin season. That is where we got tremendous gain, that is during the August. You can see from May, June, July and August we had an altcoin season. We had a tremendous gains in altcoins. So that happened after touching this level. It went up strongly to the altcoin season. Next, we had a tremendous drop in the altcoins during the Bitcoin Bitcoin moving from 9,000 to around 15 to 16k, around 19k. We had a tremendous drop in altcoins, and looks like, if we see this, it looks like we are just bottoming out. That is first, it looks like we are forming double bottom, that is 1 and 2. It looks like we are going to change the trend, that is from Bitcoin season to altcoins in the coming days. So it looks like that. So if so this is the best accumulation zone for altcoins. When this turn out to be bullish and this this chart breaks this level, it looks like it already broken this particular downtrend. So we can expect it will turn to an altcoin season in coming days. Maybe December and January will be a good time for altcoins. That altcoin season can happen during that 2 months according to this index. So this is one of the important index, and you can see coins indicating in altcoins. So these are the coins that is indicating some altcoin season, but we have only less number of coins that is performing well during this previous month. But we haven't this like Chainlink and other coins haven't performed that much well during this previous month. So once this turn to be more bullish, we can expect this chart can reverse, and we can expect the altcoin season can start. So let's see how it goes. Keep a track on this also. This is more important. But one more thing we have to discuss is the main thing we have to discuss is this one. And wait, this one. Whether the altcoin season is going to start is mainly depends upon the Bitcoin dominance chart. So Bitcoin dominance chart is forming this kind of triangle. So that is more important actually. After a dropping downtrend, it is forming a symmetrical triangle. Usually symmetrical triangles are a continuation patterns. Continuation patterns means if the trend is downwards and then it is forming symmetrical triangle means it will likely to break downwards. So if this breaks downwards, that is Bitcoin dominance is breaking downwards, means these you can see this can reverse, and next if it is dropping heavily, we can expect the altcoin season. The altcoins will perform very well when Bitcoin dominance is breaking downwards. So this is the major thing, and it looks like it is going to break downwards because it's a continuous pattern, symmetrical triangle. So if it is breaking downwards, we can expect this chart can reverse, and it can go upwards. That is we are approaching to an altcoin season. So this is the right time to accumulate most of the important altcoins that can perform well during the Bitcoin bull run. We have discussed a lot about different altcoins and different altcoins, that is the different potential altcoins. So keep that in mind. And now we are going to the main part of the video, that is dot ecosystem coins. We had a tremendous gain during the past 24 hours in top in some of the Polkadot ecosystem coins. So, and if we see over here in the past 24 hours, Robonomics network XRT, that has 88.4% up, and in past 7 days 407% up. So this is one of the important coin we have already discussed in the previous videos. And we have Darwinia network, that is 44.1% up, which is around 7 days 54.2% up, and Crust network 43% up. Mantra DAO 23 in the past 24 hours 31.7% up. Kulupu that is 28.4% up. Polka started 27.6% up, and you can see Kulupu in the past 7 days 54.1% up. Polka started 93.3% up in the past 7 days. Acropolis 34 that is during the past 7 days 17.8 during the past 24 hours. We have Rio DeFi that is 17.2% during the past 24 hours. Edge were 14.9%. So these are performing tremendously well, and it looks like Polkadot coins are coming back. That is, it looks like in this altcoin season, these coins can perform tremendously well during this coming altcoin, and this is the starting indications. You can see over here. This is how the Polkadot ecosystem is very much important. See, past 7 days, 400, 200, 93. So lots of gains are coming, and maybe this is the starting time for these tremendous Polkadot ecosystem coins and this altcoin season. So this indicates one of the indicator for, you can say, the upcoming altcoin season. But anything can happen, whether it can this altcoin season can suddenly change to Bitcoin season also. But looking all these parameters, looking all these indexes, it looks like we are approaching to an altcoin season. So, and you can see over, we have tremendous gains in some of the Polkadot coins, and this is the coins we have already discussed. That is Robonomics network. We have already discussed this one. But before going this, and you can see, if we see this one, all-time high, according to all-time high, since all-time high, we have lots of coins that has tremendously down from all-time high. We have Edgeware minus 99.8%, Kulupu minus 96% down from all-time high, Doc minus 94.8% down, Robonomics minus 92.8% down, Mantradao minus 85.8% down. So lots of coins, lots of Polkadot coins that are tremendously down from all-time high, which is very much important. So you can see more number of coins is above minus 50%, which is down from all-time high. That is more important. So it has tremendous way to go in terms of all-time high also. So the first coin we are going to discuss is Robonomics XRT, that is Robonomics network. We have discussed about this coin in our channel in the previous in our previous videos. This is the first maybe here, right? Robonomics XRT. So in the Polka project part 4, we have discussed about XRT, that is XRT and MXC. If you want to know more about this one, that is Robonomics XRT and MXC, you can have a look on this video, that is Polka project part 4, and this is performing tremendously well, guys. You can see over, this is on from it's starting from $6.4 and it went tremendously up, and it goes to $33. It's a huge in one day. That is more important. That is in 24 hours, this performance is great. $33, that is more than 5x in past 24 hours. So this is how this quality alts will perform. This is how the quality alts will perform, and make sure please have a note on this. We have very less supply for this particular coin. So you can see over here. So this is a very less supply, that is 0.7 million, which is way much lower. So because of these lower circulating supply having low value, it can jump very much fast, it can go very much fast in the upward trend. So that is more important about Robonomics XRT. And regarding MXC also, if you want to know about these two projects, you can go you can check this part 4, Polka project part 4, and next project also we have discussed already, that is Darwinia network native token, which has a tremendous gain during the past 30 days, 70.7% up, 14 days 34.4%, 7 days 54.2% up. So it's like these altcoins are coming back. So you can see over here, we are way more down from all-time high. So the all-time high is $0.16. Now we are at $0.003, $0.005. So we are minus 70% down from all-time high. So this is one of the important thing. And now to know about this one, they are doing they are connecting Polkadot and Ethereum, that is, it is acting as a bridge, and lots of things also doing. If you want to know about this project, you can check this one, that is Polka project part 2, where we have discussed about Darwinia network and one more bridge, that is Chainx. So these two are one of the really good project in Polkadot ecosystem, and this is one of the thing. And next we have discussed already is Mantradao. So this is a huge decentralized autonomous organization. They have lots of partnership, lots of investors are there, and lots of things are building over this one. Lots of partnerships are there in terms of DeFi and other things. So this is also very important project, and this is also a very important token. And regarding this, we have 24 hours 32% up. So that is more important, and still we are way down from all-time high, that is minus 85.8% way down from all-time high. So this is more important and more important project. And you can have a look on this. If you want to know more about this, we have already discussed in this previous videos about Mantra DAO token. We have discussed in the Polka project part 1. We have discussed about this Polka project part 1. That is, we have discussed Mantra DAO. We have discussed Polka starter, that is also providing a tremendous gain. You can see past 7 days 93.93% up, guys, and past 14 days it is 112% up. So it is also providing a tremendous gains. You can see over here, and it's all-time high. it is minus 54.3% down from all-time high. So it is approaching towards that particular high. We can expect it can reach tremendously. It can reach very much faster, and this is one of the important project in terms of providing DEXs, that is decentralized exchange on Polkadot ecosystem. So we have discussed this one, and we have discussed about Rio DeFi. This is also providing nice gain in the past 24 hours, 17.2% up. So we have discussed about these 3 projects in this video. That is Polka project 1, that is Rio DeFi, Polka starter, and Mantra DAO. We have discussed everything in this video. If you want to know, you can have a look on this. And next is about Kulupu. Kulupu is also a good project in terms of smart contracts, providing smart contracts. In past 7 days it is 54.1% up, so that is more important. And if we see the all-time high, we are way down, that is $2.62, and now we are at $0.01. So we are tremendously down from all-time high, that is minus 96.1% down from all-time high. So let's so one of the good project in Polkadot, and it is also live on Polkadot ecosystem. That is more important. You can see over here, and this is if you want to know more about Kulupu, we have discussed about that in Polka project, I think, yeah, Polka project 5. We have discussed about this. That is the main niche of smart contract platforms. We have discussed Edgeware. We have discussed Kulupu and Moonbeam. So Kulupu is one of the important smart contract project, and the next one is Edgeware. Edgeware also past 24 hours 15% up, and you can see it is down minus 99.8% from all-time high. So Edgeware is one of the important project, one of the important smart contract projects. So if you want to know about these 2 things, you can have a look on this part, that is Polka project part 5. And one more thing which is performing well is Acropolis. Acropolis is one of the DeFi project on Polkadot ecosystem, and we know that they are providing uncollateralized uncollateralized lending. That is more important. That is one of the amazing things in Acropolis, and this is also one of the important project, which is around minus 81.2% down from all-time high. So that is the important thing about this one, Acropolis, and we have discussed about the Acropolis in this video. That is Polka project part 6 in DeFi niche. We have discussed Acropolis and Akala network, so one of the important project. And finally, we have discussed about Ocean Protocol. Ocean Protocol is one of the important project because it is dealing with the data. So it is a data marketplace. It is a major project for data marketplace. So we know that in future data is everything. Data marketplace is very much needed, and it is also performing quite well during the past 30 days and 7 days, 13.4% up. And it's one of the important project because if you see over 1 year, it is 39% up, and it went from around in Jan it is $0.04 and it went to $0.6, which is around 10x. It already made a 10x, and now we are approaching to another upward movement. So it is also one of the important project, and we have discussed about Ocean Protocol also, that is data marketplace niche, that is Polka project 9. So you can, if you want to know about Polka project, and if you want to gain some of the knowledge in Polkadot ecosystem projects, you can have a look on these Polka project series niche, and we have discussed lots of project. And one of the important projects, Zora, is also one of the important project which is dealing with Polka Swap, that is decentralized exchange. So we have discussed a lot more important projects in Polkadot ecosystem already in these videos. So have a look on this, because in this altcoin season and in this bull run, most of the Polkadot ecosystem coin can perform tremendously well, because we know Polkadot is a tremendous ecosystem which interoperability and high scalability. So that is more important. Lots of project is building on Polkadot ecosystem. So keep that in mind, and you can have a look on all these Polka projects. If we see this past in 1 day, that is 24 hours, we are getting tremendous gains. In just 24 hours, these coins are performing tremendously. So let's if you imagine how it can perform during the Bitcoin bull run, so during the next bull cycle and during the next altcoin season. So Polkadot projects are very much important. Have a look on these, and that's all. And this is what I want to share. and keep this in mind also. Altcoin season index. Let's see how it goes. So that's all for this video, and hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with Crypto Mac. Until then, signing off, Crypto Mac. See you guys.